On 11/11/11, Deep Ellum Brewing Company sold its first keg of craft beer to an eager audience of bars, restaurants, and retail stores across Dallas.
With a unique mix of good beer, exciting graphics, and guerrilla marketing, we've created a unique base of exciting craft beer fans throughout the state and beyond.
Through our evangelical devotion to craft beer, we've converted drinkers of industrialized, mass-produced light lagers into demanding something more.
To demanding more.
To no longer accepting mediocrity
in their beer.
Scene 2, take 12. We're the first craft brewery in Dallas proper in over a decade.
Since then, we've seen an explosion of growth, growing from just 2 dudes to a full-time staff and more on the way.
Deep Ellum Beer!
However, we know that you, as a consumer and a fan, want more.
In early 2013, the citizens of Texas spoke and the legislator listened.
Passing a law bill to allow us as microbreweries to sell our beer for on-premise consumption. In other words, we're opening a tap.
Not only is this great for Texas, but it allows us to make cool new stuff for you to try.
And get real-time feedback from actual consumers prior to rolling out large releases in the market.
And sampling our craft beer to the bartenders of Dallas.
Dude, it's my first day. What do you want me to say?
Quiet on the set!
When I think of what a tap room should be, I think of the most badass tap room in the state of Texas.
And all the while, supporting the community where we call home. Yay!
We've got live music, local live music, every day at our tap room, in our beer garden. Boom, here we go.
This will allow us to produce small batch beers, some of which may never be seen outside of these walls.
Beer has brought civilizations together ever since the first fermented beverage passed the lips of the lucky.
And we're hoping the same will happen for our brand.
And our fans!
And our community.
Nice work. Cheers.
Did you find what you're looking for?